Okay, this is an unboxing video for the Precision Pro R1 rangefinder, and away we go. These were originally announced in May of 2021, and they were quickly sold out and back ordered. So I ordered this at the beginning of August, and I just received it. So we have the case, which is a nice hard case with a strap, the actual rangefinder itself, charging cable, fully charged before each round. Okay, and there's the magnet on here that you can stick onto your golf cart. It's fairly lightweight. We'll put that over there. And so if anyone wants 10% off, they have a thanks 10%. So that's the code. Microfiber cloth. Download the app, and then the manual. Okay. So there's an app that accompanies this that gives you the full benefits of the rangefinder. So I will go through in greater detail and do a review on the rangefinder for anyone that's interested. Let's slide it to power it on. It looks like it did not come charged, so we will take care of that and go through the review process. All right, that's it. This is the Precision Pro R1 rangefinder.